Good afternoon, students. Welcome in HCP Practical. Today's I will start the experiment number 13 or how to perform experiment number 13. An experiment is to prepare and submit 100 ml or 500 ml of 1.6% weight by volume sodium chloride hypertonic injection IP. Prior concept intravenous infusion, then types of sterilization, single dose containers and its importance. Then new concept proposition, method of preparation, second method of sterilization, and third is the labeling. Then general concept structure, first weighing. After weighing of all ingredients, dissolve in the vehicle. Then after dissolving process, these solutions are filtered. After the filtration, fill the solution and inspect. Then sterilize process, and after last is the labeling. Then learning objectives, intellectual skill and motor skill. Then intellectual skills, first is the to understand basic concepts of sterility, and second to understand precaution to be taken during sterile manufacturing preparations. And motor skills are ability to fill the bottles, then ability to inspect the product, then ability to handle sterilization equipment, and last is the ability to prepare label. Then apparatus. Glasswares are glass bottle, beaker, rubber closure, aluminium seal, crimping machine, autoclave, weight box, chemical balance, phenol, volumetric flask, and glass rod. Then chemicals, sodium chloride and water for injection. Then next is a stepwise procedure. First, 1.6% weight by volume sodium chloride hypertonic injection IP is a colorless or clear non-pyrogenic single dose large volume parenteral solution and contains 1.6% of sodium chloride in water for injection, and it contains not less than 1.52% weight by volume and not more than 1.68% weight by volume of sodium chloride and NaCl. Then it contains no antimicrobial agents and it is a large volume and single dose parenteral preparation. Step first, formula 1.6% weight by volume sodium chloride hypertonic injection IP contains first sodium chloride and quantity is 1.6 gram, and water for injection IP is 100 ml. Okay, then calculation part, like 100 ml of water for injection IP requires 1.6 gram of sodium chloride. Therefore, 500 ml of water for injection IP requires x gram of sodium chloride. Then x into 100 is equal to 1.6 into 500. That is x is equal to 1.6 into 500 divided by 100. And x is the 8 gram of sodium chloride. Then step second, the accurate weight requires quantity of sodium chloride in the suitable sterilized container and add sufficient quantity of water for injection to make the required volume, stir and dissolve. Then the solution should be clear. If not, filter the solution using sintered glass filter and fill the clear filtered solution into SS pressure tank and aseptically pass through the membrane filter of 0.22 microgram. Then fill the solution aseptically into sterilizer transfusion bottle. Close with a sterilized rubber closure and seal with aluminium cap. Then invert and shake the bottle to check leakage. Then reject the leaked bottles. Examine the solution critically for particles. Then carry out the sterilization in the autoclave with the usual precautions under the following condition. First, holding temperature is 121 degrees Celsius, then holding pressure is 15 IBS per square inch, and last holding time is 20 minutes. Then switch off the autoclave and allow it to cool and pressure to come down 0. Then before opening the autoclave, to remove the bottles and polish the bottles and re-examine for the particles. Then check the label and stick on the bottle. This solution should be comply with the specification laid down by the IP. Okay, these are the procedure of this experiment. Okay, what is procedure? Firstly, weighing of sodium chloride. Then this sodium chloride are dissolved into the vehicle. Then these solution are filtered into the transfusion bottle or fill into the transfusion bottle. Then inspect means what तर ते क्लिअर आहे की नाही ते चेक करायचं. त्याच्यानंतर स्टरीलाइज कशामध्ये करायचं तर ऑटोक्लेवमध्ये. ऑटोक्लेवचा होल्डिंग टेम्परेचर किती आहे 120 degree Celsius, holding time 20 minutes and holding pressure is the 15 IBS per square inch. Okay, then स्टरीलाइज झाल्यानंतर ते ऑटोक्लेवमधून रिमूव्ह करायचं आणि ते अंडर द टॅप वॉटर खाली ते कूल करायचं. ओके, आफ्टर स्टरीलायझेशन प्रोसेस लास्ट इज द लेबल. ओके, these are the procedure of this experiment. Then in label write down the category, storage, caution, dosage and direction. And category of this experiment is fluid and electrolyte replenisher. Then storage. Store in a single dose container of glass or plastic in a cool dark place protected from light. Then dosage as directed by physician to be used with non-pyrogenic IV administration set with aseptic technique. Then caution. Even invisible damage to container caused during transit, storage or handling may result in the contamination. Then do not use if container is found leaking or solution is hazy or solution contains visible solid particles. On keeping small solid particles may separate from a glass container. Then warning, discard any unused portion. These are the warning, and last is the direction for IV use only. Then here are the observation table. Ingredients are sodium chloride and water for injection IP. Then quantities prescribed and calculated. Prescribed is 1.6 gram and is sodium chloride, and water for injection IP is 100 ml. Then you are calculate the calculated quantities. Okay, then write down here calculation part of this practical. Then result is the result of this experiment is 1.6% weight by volume sodium chloride hypertonic injection IP was prepared, sterilized, labeled and submitted. Okay, and last is the important question related to this experiment. After watching this video, you all students are able to answer this question. Now I will stop here. Thank you.